What's going on, guys? Nick here, bringing you a brand new cryptocurrency video. Today I'm going to be doing a $1,000 Bitcoin mining contract upgrade. I'm also going to be showing you guys the profitability. But first of all, let's talk about Bitcoin right now. I've been just sitting here this morning looking at the Bitcoin price, looking at some charts, just chilling, and this is some crazy bull movement. We're almost at 4,000 BTC price, and if we are going to test 4,000, we're probably going to reject it and go down a couple $100s. I think it's going to be a repeat of the 3,000. We perfectly rejected off of 3,000, then we went down a few $100. So I think that might happen, but if we do somehow get some bull volume and break through $4,000, if we zoom out here to the order book, really the only next resistance we have is 40, 50. We have a few orders in there, but there's a chance Bitcoin might hit 5,000 a lot sooner than we all think, and it might even surprise us by hitting 10,000 by who knows when. But Bitcoin's looking very strong. Most bull movement I've seen in a long time. Once again, it keeps surprising me day in and day out, and I'm going to be doing a Genesis Mining Bitcoin contract upgrade, as well as show you guys the profitability, because I haven't really been checking my Genesis Mining payouts too often. They just get sent to my wallet. There's kind of just passive income coming in, and I checked my SHA-256 payment today, and it's almost worth $70 just because of the Bitcoin price went up. Now, there was a Bitcoin difficulty increase of 7% because the price went up so much, and it made it more profitable. But, I mean, it doesn't really counteract anything considering the price has gone up a lot more than 7%. So, let's do this upgrade. I'm just going to do a $1,050 upgrade for 7.5 terahash. I'm going to show you guys the profitability of the Bitcoin mining contracts. After that, it only costs 0.271 Bitcoin for a $1,000 upgrade. That's incredible. Right now I have my blockchain wallet here. I've just been holding Bitcoin. I haven't really been trading a lot recently. I used to be really into trading, but I kind of settled back on that, started collecting profits a lot more. I noticed I was over trading a little bit, and it was just getting very stressful, so I decided to just sit back a little bit more and just hold Bitcoin, and it's been working out crazy. It's made me realize the power of just holding Bitcoin, and no matter what I do, it seems like I really can't lose. I got in Bitcoin around 700-800, so I've been recently buying a little bit of gold and silver just to kind of lock in profits here and there, just kind of holding that. I think we're going to see gold and silver potentially go up if we see the stock market start to turn around, considering the Dow Jones is at like 22,000. So we'll see how that goes. Just kind of holding that at home or whatever, have that locked up. But yeah, let me show you guys the profitability while I'm doing this. So right now, 100,000 gigahash, which is 100 terahash, costs about, actually, let me do this checkout real quick. Promo code 3%. There we go. 100 terahash costs $13,000. If you do use my promo code for a 100 terahash upgrade, which is $13,000, let's say it drops it down to like 12,700 or 500. I believe it's around there. That might be a little bit too less, but power cost is nothing. Power watts is 0. Now the pool fee is the maintenance fee they charge. So people always question, why don't I use the maintenance fee? This is the maintenance fee that I'm putting into the calculator. So the numbers you're gonna get is the pure profit, basically. The actual numbers roughly that you're gonna get. So 100,000 gigahash costs you about $1,200. $12,500. Current Bitcoin difficulty, current Bitcoin price. Let's say calculate. Right now, the current days to break even on a 100 terahash Bitcoin mining contract is 160 days. You will generate about $77 a day, $543 a week, $2,300 a month, and $28,300 a year. And it's a lifetime mining contract. The contract will be on your Genesis mining account as long as it's profitable. And if you do get a 100 terahash contract, you'll have that contract for a couple years, probably guaranteed. So you can't go wrong with Genesis mining right now. I know they're having payout issues. They're trying to fix that right now, but doesn't take away for the profitability of their current service. I'm also going to be doing some more upgrades over on Hashing 24 as well as Hashflare for my Bitcoin contracts, considering how profitable it actually is. Looks like right now we are 39.20, not too bad. Looks like we are forming some support here. We got some whales jumping in with some 25 Bitcoin orders here and there. It might be likely that we somehow break this today. We have about 3.6 million here on the board. So definitely going to be looking at that for the rest of the morning. Now, I don't know what's going on here with Genesis always being slow. Let me try to, I want to give it a refresh. I know it's probably going to make the situation a lot worse, but like I said, guys, I'm doing this upgrade because it's profitable. You know what I mean? Obviously, I want to show you guys the service, promote the service so you can use my promo code, but I'm investing into it just like you guys. You know, I mean, I've been on Genesis Mining now for, I've been making videos for a few months now, 4 months or so, 4 or 5 months. I mean, over that course of the time, I've generated about $3,400, I believe, from my Bitcoin contract, about $4,000 from my Dash, about $1,000 from Ethereum, and I also have, oh, looks like Bitcoin there didn't follow through. 38.60. Looks like we might have a little pullback here. Unfortunate that I couldn't make this payment before it's dropping. Let me pull up Genesis Mining again. Let me redo the process for you guys. I'm basically gonna get to the checkout page. I'll pause the video and come back when I get there. Alright, so I am back. I am on the checkout page on Genesis Mining. It took probably a solid 3 minutes to load just this checkout page. So the total price is 0.267 Bitcoin. The price is fluctuating quite a bit right now, so I am paying a little bit more than it was when I had to, you know, refresh the page or whatever. But it's all good. I gotta scan this QR code now to send about $1,000 of Bitcoin over to Genesis Mining. Scan the QR code, hit continue, click send. And just like that, transaction complete, sent from my blockchain wallet on my phone. Now let's give Genesis a quick refresh. Now it might take a while to refresh and it might not credit me instantly. I know it has been taking about a minute or so for Genesis Mining to confirm your payment whenever you send your Bitcoin over. So I won't be too surprised if it doesn't credit me instantly. But I'm gonna pause the video again and I'll come back when this page loads. Alright, so I am back. I just got the received payment confirmation from Genesis Mining. So if we go back to the dashboard, I should have about 90, I want to say 90 terahash even. So 90.8 terahash of Bitcoin mining power. That feels really good that I have a solid amount of Bitcoin power right now. That's probably worth about $12,000, that mining contract, 90 terahash total. So I'm going to get that to 100 probably by the end of the month. So I have about roughly 18 days to do so. So I'll definitely get that to 100 terahash, and I'll give you guys an update on how the payouts are going. So, like I said, 3,400 earned from Bitcoin, 148 from Litecoin, about 4K from Dash, a little bit over 1,000 from Ethereum, and Monero at 61. I believe they haven't paid out the Monero contracts yet. They're still working on it, but it looks like I got a payment on the 10th, so looks like they are getting things back together. But if you guys are interested in joining Genesis Mining, you can sign up with my link. The link doesn't benefit me, but if you do purchase a contract on Genesis Mining, use my discount code, get you 3% off as many orders as you want, help support me. Really do appreciate your guys' support. Let's just see what Bitcoin does, man. You know, it's long term. I feel that, you know, it's still going to continue to go up. You know, it's emerging technology. It's a revolution. Be a part of it. Earn some passive income. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good one. Peace out.